Despite trading below $1 for most of the year, there are investors that keep holding and buying SES AI stock. Due to recent bullish developments ahead of its second quarter results scheduled for August 4th, 2025, at 5 p.m. ET. From its preliminary financial and business results for the second quarter, revenue was at $3.5 million for the quarter, contributing to a total revenue of $9.3 million for the first half of 2025, while gross margin stood at 74%, indicating strong operational performance. At the same time, cash used in operations decreased by 51% compared to the same quarter last year, and 53% compared to the first quarter of 2025. Other indicators of financial health come from its liquidity position, which comprised of $229 million in cash, cash equivalents, and marketable securities with no debt, further contributing to SES AI's ability to pursue initiatives to drive growth, which is why revenue guidance has been reaffirmed for $15 million to $25 million in 2025. Founder and CEO Qichao Hu highlighted the company's progress toward profitability, emphasizing the recent acquisition of UZ Energy as a pivotal move to accelerate SES AI's platform strategy in the global energy storage market. This strategic acquisition is expected to utilize a portion of the company's excess liquidity to pursue new opportunities, potentially driving additional revenue growth in 2025 and beyond. The developer and manufacturer of AI-enhanced batteries has executed a definitive agreement to acquire 100% of UZ Energy, an energy storage systems (ESS) provider, for approximately $25.5 million, subject to earn-out adjustment based on specified financial targets. The acquisition is expected to close in the third quarter of 2025, pending customary closing conditions. UZ Energy specializes in designing and manufacturing ESS products for commercial and industrial applications, with over 500 MWh of ESS deployed safely in more than 60 countries without incidents. The acquisition is anticipated to capitalize on the rapidly growing demand for safe and high-performance ESS, particularly in AI data centers. SES AI expects the acquisition to generate exponentially growing revenue in the $300 billion global ESS market over the next 3 years. The acquisition will expand SES AI's Molecular Universe platform by integrating UZ Energy's hardware, real-world data, and marketing and sales channels. This will enhance SES AI's foothold in the global ESS market, enabling the company to provide safe, long-cycle life, and cost-effective ESS hardware and software solutions. According to Qichao Hu, founder and CEO of SES AI, the acquisition launches the company into the exciting market of AI data centers, accelerates revenue growth, and strengthens the Molecular Universe platform by providing real-world data to train models. SES AI is also gaining traction because of its Molecular Universe platform, introducing a new feature called Deep Space. This update, version MU 0.5, is designed to significantly accelerate battery research and development. Molecular Universe is SES AI's battery material discovery software and service platform, which uses AI and physics to create a searchable database of molecular structures and properties. The platform aims to fast-track battery research and development by allowing researchers to explore a wide range of potential electrolyte materials. The new Deep Space feature is an agentic capability built within MU 0.5, functioning as a team of large language model (LLM) agents that conduct senior scientist-level battery research. Deep Space is intended for intense, focused, deep research aimed at developing real commercial product outcomes. It can analyze complex battery questions and recommend electrolyte formulations for different cell chemistries, which can be ranked by performance, novelty, or cost based on user preferences. When combined with SES AI's existing AI-enhanced lithium metal and lithium-ion battery technologies, even more opportunities emerge for enhanced applications in everything from electric vehicles and drones to robotics and energy storage systems. Deep Space significantly reduces the time required for trial and error, accomplishing in less than an hour what would normally take a human senior scientist months or even years. Users can select between regular Ask and Deep Space, with the latter typically taking longer to return an answer due to its more complex and detailed analysis. Other new features in MU 0.5 include a molecule sketchpad, to help users find molecules with similar properties and language support for Mandarin and Korean, in addition to English. Dr. Hu believes that deep space will further enhance SES AI's value proposition, particularly for battery makers, electrolyte and cathode materials producers, and automakers.